In this video, we'll go through fitting an Evolve Zero roller blind. We'll go through two options, with and without a headbox. For this job, you'll need the following tools: a drill, a screwdriver, a spirit level, a tape measure, and suitable fixings designed for the substrate. Please note, this is a two-person installation and should never be attempted alone. Firstly, check the contents of your order. You should have received one roller blind, one headbox if you ordered one, and an orange bag containing brackets and any other components necessary. If your blind comes with a headbox, fit this now. There are two fixing options for this: top fixed or face fixed. Firstly, remove the front cover, then pre-drill the headbox along the drill line inside, with your first fixings approximately 100mm from each end, then spaced out 500 to 800mm from that. If you didn't specify a cable exit when ordering the blind, you will need to drill this now. Use a 13mm drill bit for this, then install the grommets supplied with the blind. Then fix your headbox into place. If your blind doesn't have a headbox, fix your brackets in place now. Ensure the bearing end bracket plate is oriented correctly if you're face fixing, as shown here. Next, remove the plastic bearing cover from the bearing end bracket plate. To fit your blind, first mount the control end onto the bracket, ensuring your cable is pointing in the desired direction. Then to mount the bearing end into the bracket, first ensure the bearing is facing the right way up. You may need to use a small screwdriver or similar in the hole in the bottom of the bearing to rotate it. Then slide the bearing into the bracket plate. Finally, reinsert the plastic bearing cover. Next, it's time to commission the motor. If you're unsure how to do this, scan the QR code on the motor setup guide that came with your order to download the instructions for the motor in your blind. If your blind isn't in a headbox, you now need to fit the bracket covers. First, slide the bracket cover onto the bracket, then slide the screw cover over the bracket and repeat for the other side of the blind. These covers are a friction fit, so may need a gentle tap onto the bracket. Depending on the size of your blind, you may find it easier to fit the bracket covers with the fabric unrolled. If your blind is fitted in a headbox, reinstall the front cover and screw it into place. Run the blind up and down to ensure smooth operation and that the correct limits are programmed. Congratulations, your Evolve Zero install is now complete.